are team called Humanoids, and we are here to give the basic areas of finance. So first of all, I would like to introduce our team. I am Mohammad Nizam. This is Pramod and Raju. Finance is allocation of assets and resources over time under conditions of certainty and uncertainty. This is the definition from Wikipedia, and these are the four basic areas of finance. Four basic areas of finance are corporate finance, investments, financial institutions, and international finance. Corporate finance and investments will be handled by Pramod, and next two areas, financial institutions and international finance, will be handled by Raju.
Corporate finance dealing with the area of source of funding, the capital structure of corporations and the capital structure of corporations, and that make managers to increase to value of the firm to shareholders, as well as the value of the firm financial analysis uses to allocate the financial resources. Finance is investments within a business, particularly a large business. The firm invests in assets ranging from short-term securities that are marketable securities to long-term securities like stock and bonds. Career opportunities in investments area: stockbroker, portfolio management, security analyst. Stockbroker advise connection on customers on what types investments consider to helping them to make buying and selling shares. That's called stockbroker. Portfolio management is a manage money for investors. For example, portfolio management is the individual investments are managed into frequently by mutual funds, frequently by mutual funds such as simplify means money pooling a money that is then the investors portfolio manager, and also portfolio manager also manage pension funds, insurance companies, and many other types of institutions. Security analyst research individual investments such as a particular stock in a particular company, along with variety financial resources, information resources. Frequently, brokers and portfolio managers rely on security analysis for information and recommendations.
Financial institutions such as stock marketing, facilitate transfer funds between saver funds and user funds. Saver funds usually households. User funds are generally businesses and government. Next one is international finance. International finance division of economics that studies dynamic exchange rates and global finance system, foreign investment, and above the effect in international trades.
Area of finance dealing with sources of financing, and capital structure of corporations. In corporate finance, they majorly focus on balancing between risk and profitability. While focusing on risk and profitability, they also attempt to increase their entity's wealth and as well as the value of stock. So then they mainly focus on three areas, that is capital budgeting, capital structure, and working capital. So in capital budgeting, they plan and manage where the firm should making long-term investments. And in capital structures, capital structure, they see means they will take a decision how they need to finance their if they want to make any long-term investments, from where they will get finance. So they will make clear that the financing will be proper to make long-term investments. And in capital requirements, when there is excess of cash like profits, then they will make a decision whether to distribute among the shareholders or whether to retain or whether to use in the working capital. So in the working capital requirements, they will utilize the excess of cash. So this is the policy they will follow called as dividend policy. This was about the corporate finance. Thank you.